Kumusta ka, kaibigan? How are you, my friend? This is Ollie at meron tayong episode dito para dun sa mga dating fluent o hindi pa fluent pero gusto mag-aral lang Tagalog. Kung katulad ka ng mga Filipino na nakatira overseas and you understand Tagalog fluently before and you still understand Tagalog but you cannot reply in Filipino or in Tagalog, you reply in English. Don't worry, marami kayo. Makakatulong to sa inyo. I'll share some tips para mas gumaling ka ulit sa Tagalog. Today, I'll share some tips so you can get better again at Tagalog. So, before we start, I would like to invite you to join us on Patreon. That's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. At maraming salamat po sa ating mga miyembro sa Patreon. Thank you so much to our members on Patreon. Ito po mga tips to become more fluent in Tagalog. Reply in Taglish. Tapos pure Tagalog later on. So start by speaking in Taglish. A mix of English and Tagalog is okay. It's totally normal and common yan. It's common in the Philippines. So, wag kang mahiya na mag-Taglish. Example, saan tayo kakain? Pagkain na naman, saan tayo kakain? Where are we going to eat? Saan tayo kakain? Where are we going to eat? Saan tayo kakain? So, yung pure Tagalog yon. Pero, you can always say, saan tayo magda-dine in o saan tayo magla-lunch. Example yan. Saan tayo magda-dine in o saan tayo magla-lunch. Where will we dine in or where will we eat lunch? Yan. Pwede mo sabihin, let's eat sa labas. Taglish, pero okay na yun. At least napapractice ka. Let's eat sa labas. Let's eat outside. Okay na rin yun kaysa naman hindi ka napapractice, di ba? Eventually, pwede mo sabihin, kumain tayo sa labas. Kumain tayo sa labas. Let's eat outside. Kumain tayo sa labas. Yan, pwede mong gamitin yan. Taglish muna, tapos pure Tagalog or pure Filipino na later on. Tapos pwede mong gawin, ito pa, mirror how your parents speak. So, kopyahin mo. Kopyahin mo yung mga nanay at tatay mo. Repeat what they say in your head or even aloud. This helps you with the rhythm and structure of Filipino. Example, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? What's your answer? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Gumagawa lang ako ng homework. O gumagawa lang po ako ng homework. O yung homework, asignatura, homework, pwede na yun. Gumagawa lang po ako ng homework ko. I'm just doing my homework. So, pwede mong sagutin yun ng ganun. What I'm doing is I'm doing my homework. Gumagawa po ako ng homework. Yan. Tapos, pwede rin sabihin mo na pag tinanong ka, for example, saan ka galing? Where did you go? O, sabihin mo, galing po ako sa mall. Galing po ako sa mall. I went to the mall. Yun, pwede mong sagutin yun ng Taglish. Galing lang ako sa mall. I went to the mall. Yeah, pwede sagutin ng ganyan yan. Now, listen to Tagalog media. Okay? Listen to Tagalog media. Like Tagalog dramas, Filipino dramas, YouTube, vloggers, creators. Tapos pwede mong ulitin yung sinasabi nila. You can repeat what they're saying. Try to say what they're saying. For example, you won't understand me. Hindi mo ako maiintindihan. O you don't understand me. Hindi mo ako naiintindihan. Or pwede nilang sabihin, tara, panoorin mo ang video ko. Come on, watch my video. Or tara, punta tayo sa mall. Come on, let's go to the mall. Yan, pwede mong sabihin yan. Panoorin mo lang sila. Araw-araw, mas maganda. Watch them. Watch the video creators or watch Tagalog shows. It's better if you watch every day because you will learn a lot. Now, siguro kung meron kang pinsan, if you have cousins, you can speak with them. You can speak to them in Filipino. Kasi they won't judge you. Kids won't judge you if you speak to them in Filipino. So practicing with kids, your cousins, your brothers, it's safe. And you might even find it fun to talk to them. And you could ask them, gusto mo bang maglaro? Do you want to play? Gusto mo bang maglaro? You can ask your cousins, the younger ones, even the ones who are the same age as you are. Gusto mo bang maglaro? Do you want to play? Gusto mo bang maglaro? And then if your cousin says, yes, let's play hide and seek. Alright? O sige, taguan tayo. O sige, laro tayo ng taguan. Okay, let's play hide and seek. O sige, laro tayo ng taguan. Yan, pwede mong kausapin yung mga pinsan mo. You can talk to your cousins, your neighbors who are Filipinos. Pwede yan. Para ma-practice ka. So, practice lang. Practice ng conversation. O kung gusto mo naman, punta ka dito sa Patreon page namin para may kausap ka. Ako yun. Pwede kitang kausapin in Filipino. You could hire me as your Filipino tutor. Yan. Usually 30 minutes ang aking sessions na umaabot ng 1 hour. So usually my sessions are 30 minutes to 1 hour. Just in case you want to have someone to talk to in Filipino, just let me know. Go to patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino or at learntagalogfilipino.com. Short advertisement, pero it might be helpful. It might help you a lot. So what more can you do? Speak Filipino or speak Tagalog in everyday situations. For example, sa bahay, bubuksan ko ang TV. I will open the TV. Bubuksan ko ang TV. I will open the TV. Yung mga ganun, mga maikling Tagalog lang. Pupunta ako sa mall. I will go to the mall. Pupunta ako sa mall. O yung madalas, di ba? Madalas naman kumakain tayo. Yan ang madalas ko naiisip. Kain tayo, let's eat. Kain tayo, let's eat. So maski sa isip mo lang, even if it's in your head, okay na yun. Maganda na yun. So practice ka lang. So isa pang tip, around the house, you can talk about stuff like hapunan, dinner, almusal, breakfast. Yung mga ganyan. Yung mga simpleng bagay. Tapos yung mga bagay sa bahay. Say for example, lamesa, table, upuan, chair, pencil, lapis. Yung mga ganon, yung mga maliliit na bagay. Sa kusina, meron tayong kutsara, spoon. Sa dining area, meron din tayong pinggan. Yan yung plate, tinidor. Yan yung fork. So marami. Pag-aralan mo muna yung mga simpleng bagay. Tapos practice. Practice, di ba? Ito meron akong short story dito na tungkol sa isang balikbayan na si Marco. Maikling-maikli lang. Si Marco ay isang Filipino na lumaki sa Canada. Marco is a Filipino who grew up in Canada. Tuwing bakasyon, umuwi siya sa Pilipinas. During vacations, he goes home to the Philippines. Naiintindihan niya ang Tagalog pero lagi siyang nag-i-English. He understands Tagalog but he always speaks in English. Nahihiya siya kapag kasama niya ang kanyang mga pinsan. He feels shy when he's with his cousins. Isang araw nagpasya siya na subukang magsalita na kahit kaunting Tagalog. One day, he decided to try to speak in Tagalog, even for just a little bit. Sabi niya, Tara, kain tayo ng isaw. Sabi niya sa mga pinsan niya, come on, let's eat isaw. At sabi ng mga pinsan niya, uy, nagtatagalog ka na. Hey, you're speaking Tagalog now. Sabi ng mga pinsan niya, that's what his cousin said. Natawa si Marco. Hindi man perpekto pero nagsisimula na siyang magsalita ng Tagalog o Filipino. Marco laughed. It wasn't perfect yet, but he started speaking Tagalog or Filipino. Yun, ang ganda ng storya, no? Maikli lang siya. Pero okay na okay, di ba? It's a nice story. It's a short story, but it's a fine story. Ito, vocabulary, Ito yung words na ginamit natin dito. Saan? Saan? Where? Saan? Where? Saan? Next word is kumain. Kumain. To eat. Kumain. Next word is gumagawa. Gumagawa. Doing. Gumagawa. Doing. Gumagawa. Next word is maglaro. Maglaro. To play. Maglaro. Next word is tagu-taguan or taguan. Hide and seek. Tagu-taguan. Hide and seek. Tagu-taguan. Next is maglalakad. Maglalakad. Will walk. Maglalakad. Will walk. Maglalakad. Next is tindahan. Tindahan. Store. Tindahan. Tindahan. Store. Tindahan. Next is bakasyon. Bakasyon. Vacation. Bakasyon. Bakasyon. Next is pinsan. Pinsan. Cousin. Pinsan. Next is subukan. Subukan. To try. Subukan. Subukan. Next is isaw. Isaw. This might be pork intestines or chicken intestines. This is a street food. Isaw. Okay, isaw. Intestines. Chicken intestines or pork intestines. Isaw. Again, talk about stuff to your cousins, your friends, Filipino friends. Add humor or talk to them in a humorous way. Now, try to talk to them every day if you can. Kahit konti lang, basta tuloy-tuloy, matututo ka rin ng Tagalog. Kahit konti lang, hindi kailangang marami. Hindi kailangang sobrang daming sinasabi mo. And try to practice with friends you know. So if you would like to speak Tagalog fluently, if you want a Tagalog speaking partner, you could go to learntagalogfilipino.com or patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino. Kung nag-aaral ka ng Tagalog, you can do it. Kayang-kaya mo yan.